In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find Music ID in Roblox mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website roblox.com. Click on the option Continue in Browser. Provide your credentials and log into your account. You'll be directed to this page. Now over here, you're going to find the option of Create. You'll need to click on that. You'll be directed to this page. Now at the top left, you're going to find 3 bars. Click on that. Then head over to the option Creations. Now here you're going to find different tab. Navigate to the tab Developmental Tools, or you can click on 3 bars again and select the option Store. Under that, you're going to find the option of Audio. Click on that. This is where you will find all sound effects and music tracks. Now just scroll and search for the music or sound effect you are looking for. Once you find it, tap on the audio track. Tap More Info if you see it. Then go to the browser's address bar. You'll see a long URL. Look closely. After the word asset, there is a number. That number is your music ID. Just select and copy that number. You can now use it in Roblox Studio, games, or anywhere that accepts sound IDs. And that's it. You have just learned how to find a Roblox Music ID on mobile device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.